customize our map to take just the first part of our screen. For our map, we already have one div, and let's create one div for our question form section. So basically now we have div for our map and for our question, and let's surround these two divs with one new parent div. Okay, let's align our code a little bit. Okay, so now we have new parent div for our map and question form. Now, instead of style width, let's use CSS class, because this is a good practice. I already prepared one class, so let's copy it from here. And instead of our inline style, let's use class HTML attribute. And let's paste our class here. I will use the same class for our question form and also for our parent div. Okay, so what we have actually here, we have parent div that will take 100% of a screen width, and we have two child divs that will take equal parts in the inner part of that parent div. Okay, for our iframe, let's change our height to 410 pixels. And let's save our changes. Let's go back in our web browser. When we refresh our page, except of our height, everything other is actually same. So let's inspect our document. Let's expand our body. Let's expand our middle part. And let's expand our parent div. So now, this is our map div. And if we take a look below our map div, take a look on this part here. So basically, reason for this is that div is block element, so it always will take complete width of our screen. So we need to change this with our display if or inline flags class. So I will copy it and I will place this class for our parent div. So basically, all divs inside of our parent div will be displayed like inline elements. So if we go back in our web browser and now refresh our page, now we have our divs like inline elements. So if we inspect our web page, now you can see we have our question form and also our map like inline elements. If we uncheck this property, we can see what's going to happen. Okay, so basically we can close this. Now we have our map inside of our contact page. You can zoom in or zoom out the content of a map. So basically this is Google Map inside of our website.